What is going on in the crypto world today? Yesterday we had a sharp drop to the downside on BTC, which scared lots of people, and this is what we're going to get into today. Also Solana and Ethereum. We'll give you a complete rundown on what my opinion is in the next coming weeks. Also, for everyone in the Discord, we did unlock the VIP section. You will have access to all of the algorithms as soon as you have purchased the VIP package. You get instant access to the algos. You do also get these super cool presets that you can trade as profitable as us for the Gigatrend and the Shark algorithm. Please feel free to join the Discord and ask whatever question you have in mind. Let's dive into the chart. So here we do have our Gigatrend enabled, our algorithm. The last trade was absolutely crazy. We had a drawdown of just 1.14% and we netted out, automatically closed 4.15%. I did close my long position at around 6% in profits with a leverage of 20. The algorithm did close the trade pretty perfectly, as you can see here. We did drop then pretty sharp to the downside, and we did retrace now to the 50 EMA on the 4 hours chart, which could give me an indication that this is just a little retrace before we are going lower. We could see something like this. The next stop could be around the 200 EMA on the 4 hours chart, so at 33,579-ish, something like this. Also, we do have CME gaps in sight. Let me show you the CME gaps real quick. BTC1, Bitcoin futures chart. And as you can see, we do have one just right here, between 34,120 and 34,315. So this is definitely the next point of interest that is in plain sight. And if you go a bit lower, you see here, we do also have a small CME gap. So this is definitely the range that I think we are going to move now in the next days, weeks, months. Just the near future. No one can tell when exactly it's going to go down lower, but this, keep in mind that this is a big point of interest. If we open up the liquidation heat maps, I can highly advise you to use CoinGlass if you want to save some bucks, because it's free to use. You simply go to liquidation heat map and let's set it to 1 month. I think that we should see everything. Yeah. As you can see, we do have in this area our CME gap, and there is a more than 1.3, almost 3 billion in short liquidations. Long liquidations here at that point. If you go a bit lower, we have marked our CME gap. Where was it? 29,700-ish. This should be around here. Yeah. This is definitely the next point of interest then. We could also go into the low 30s, maybe 25k, 4.1 billion in long liquidations. Could be, but we are not there yet. So currently I am looking at this zone here, 34k, that's the next CME gap. And then if we hit that and if we touch the 200 EMA on the 4 hours chart, then we can think of going lower into the 29k region. Can we go up from this point? Of course, markets can turn really quickly, but current outlook is we need, as it looks like, a little bit of a retracement. Also, our Shark algorithm did flash a short signal. Did not flash it at the best point in the chart, did flash on the low, but could give me a good indication that we will see this little retrace to the 50 EMA and then see a drop lower. Ethereum did actually flash a long signal. We could go with this long signal into that region here. Could be a nice little scalp of in around 1%. Keep in mind, if Bitcoin is performing this scenario here, that we see the retrace and then a drop to the downside, that Ethereum will follow as well. One coin that really outperformed many other coins is Solana. Was the last month, it was absolutely stunning what its performance was like. My algorithm did made a shit ton of money for me. As you can see, this is just since 2023 January until today's date. We made 889% in profits. And even yesterday, Bitcoin did drop to the downside. Solana actually went to the upside, and the algorithm did buy here at this triangle. Sadly, it exited at 2.45%, but I was trading this one with a pretty high leverage, so I made some decent profits. I mean, take a look at these trades here. They are absolutely fantastic most of the time. They're pretty big gainers. Pretty big gainers. The winning ones definitely outperform the losing ones. So what is my standpoint on Solana right now? Do I think that we will go higher from this point here? Very hard to say. Very hard to say. I mean, here we do have definitely a new or a bigger point of interest, but that's pretty far away. So if BTC is going to decide now that we will move to the downside hard, if we see a sharp drop to the downside, we will see Solana as well tumble down. So currently I'm looking at something like this. I want to see another touch of the 50 EMA on the 4 hours chart, and then I will decide to again trade it long term. What's happening on the news? Not much today, really not much today. But what is giving us a pretty positive outlook on the crypto market is the CPI data came out yesterday, really positive. And yeah, probably we could just see a recovery of this CME gap, and due to all of this positive information that we got yesterday, we might even see another move upwards, but not confirmed yet. Wait until we did move, or wait until the reaction on the 50 EMA on the 4 hours chart, and then we will see what we're going to do next. I will do post everyday analysis in the VIP chat, and also once a week one signal and one analysis in the Discord channel. So if you join right now and be always up to date, Joe is also going to provide super good signals and an educational course for order book trading. Thank you for listening, guys, and stay profitable out there. Cheers.